As we approach the Galaxy S23's launch early next month, its features and specifications are getting leaked. Its battery, camera, and display specifications were leaked a few days ago. Now the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra's RAM and storage specifications have been revealed. Samsung is launching all Galaxy S23 smartphones with at least 256GB storage, according to the latest rumor claims. According to Ahmed Equator on Twitter, the 128GB option is gone, meaning there won't be an 8GB RAM version of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, only 12GB. The leakster posted only one storage option for the S23 and S23 Plus, but 3 versions of the S23 Ultra, raising a question of whether it is a full list of variants or only the top-tier phone is listed in full. The Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus both started from 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, but now the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will have 8GB RAM, 256GB storage as the base variant. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will have 3 choices: 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, and 12GB RAM, 1TB storage. The storage chips in the 2022 flagships were the UFS 3.1 solution, but we expect the Galaxy S23 series to switch to UFS 4.0. It brings 2x faster read speed and 1.6 times faster sequential write speed. There's also a 46% improvement in power efficiency, which would increase the battery life of the bigger cells. The tipster also claims that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature a relatively flatter display compared to its predecessor. This change should improve the S Pen experience while writing and drawing on the screen. All Galaxy S23 models will run Android 13-based One UI 5.1 out of the box. This newer version of the software could bring some more lock screen customization options. What do you think about the upcoming Samsung S23 series new updates? Give your opinion in the comment section below. Subscribe to Mobile Versus. Thanks for watching.